to practice. Good. And then one more time. Breath in. Out. Out. Little push, push. Good job, Isabella. I'll show you what we're going to do. Watch. You're going to feel a little push through your shoulder. That's all. Okay, now will you turn all the way over? You can't believe how big you're getting. Turn over on your back. Yep, just like that. He likes to take videos of you. Yeah, her neck is out of alignment. Okay, so see Francis over there? Look at Francis. And I'm going to give one little push. One more. Well done. High five.
Ah, she's good.
Good job. So that was C5. Now we're going to go to C2. One little push. One more. There he goes. Good job. Grab my hand. Come on up. Okay. Where's your shoes? Oh yeah. Let's